Now to import LUTs, this is a bit different what we need to do. Okay, in case we don't have this LUT, okay? So I'm gonna just download now probably a LUT, downloadable LUTs DaVinci. LUTs DaVinci. And we're gonna see, because there's places that you can download LUTs for free. Okay, like this website, for example. There's LUTs already that you can download for free. In Shutterstock, other websites too. Okay, the one I normally use is Motion Array. Yeah, this one is good, and we're gonna just download one that is for free, and then we're gonna just upload it. Okay, well, import it to our project. Okay, so I just downloaded a few ones. Okay, we have here, this one is the one I already imported, colorful cube, and we have a black and white and this matte. So what we're gonna do is, firstly, we're gonna obviously go to our DaVinci. Okay, wait, I'm gonna change here the project to this one. And now we're gonna import them. And we're gonna see how they affect in the different shots that we have, the different clips, okay? So remember, this is the file. This is a file. You know where this is, remember, we went here. Okay, in our, wait, let me go to color. In our LUTs, and here, Revealing Finder, right? Now, what do we have to do in order to import them? In order to import them, we need to go here, our project setting. Remember this, you can send it, you can download it, also the ones you create, because you know where are safe. So you just have to take this .qb, okay, this file. So now what we're gonna do is import one. So first we go here, project settings, and we see our master settings, all of these things that we already saw. But there's one thing here, color management, and we just press here. And we see all of these things, okay, which we don't have to worry really about these things. What we need to worry is about this. So we open LUT folder. Let's open our LUT folder. And again, what are we going to see? Well, all of those LUTs that we already had here with their folders. So we have here ARRI, also here, and everything. Now, in order to import these ones that we just downloaded, okay, I'm gonna go back to my other window, the one of the download. So I'm gonna go to my downloads, okay, which are here, and these are the new ones. So it's as simple as that. I'm just gonna drop these two, because the other I already have it, I already imported, and I'm gonna go to one folder that I created here, downloaded LUTs. Now, if you wanted to create a new folder, do it here, action, new folder, and you create one. I already created that. If you create now a new folder and you want to put these ones that you want to import in this new folder, you can do that, and they're gonna appear here with this new folder. Okay, so imagine now I'm gonna just inside of this download LUTs, I'm gonna create another folder that is gonna be named black and white, since I have one in black and white of this one. Okay, so black and white, okay, because maybe at the end of this year I have like 6 different black and whites. Okay, so now I'm gonna just put black and white, and I'm gonna, where I have all these files, I'm just gonna drop this, and then I'm even gonna just put this one, black and white, inside this folder. Okay, so I have a folder inside another. So that's it. I'm just gonna close now this. And now don't forget to do the most important thing, which is update list. Okay, we need to update all these things that we just done. So I'm gonna update it. Yes, it's updated, save. And here I'm gonna go to download LUTS, which is the folder I created before. And as we can see, there's an arrow already. That means it has created this black and white, and as you can see, it has imported this one. This one was the one I already imported, and inside our black and white is the one we just put inside. So we already have the LUTs here. Okay, now let's apply these LUTs to our images. So for example, we want to go black and white here. Why not? Okay, in this one, we want to go in black and white. Okay, let's go here, and again, we just put this black and white, and it's black and white with the LUT we downloaded. Let's try another. As you can see also, you know when a LUT is applied in a node. Actually, you applied obviously the LUTs in nodes. Okay, you can also do like we saw. You just create your nodes and you save it as a LUT, but it's gonna apply all of those nodes. Okay, so we have here this logo. This is the logo of LUT. So we need to remember this is like a square, right? Okay, let's apply the other LUT. For example, let's apply it here. No, here. No, here we already have a LUT. Here, let's apply it in this one. We had here, yeah, this one that created this. This one is pretty cool. I like it, this one. I download this mate. We saw this too. This mate things it has to do with lift, with the dark colors. Okay, it just adds like another texture. Is another texture in a way that is added to the footage itself. So pretty cool thing, this thing of the LUTs. Okay, and remember, if you for example are working, even if you are working with Premiere or with another editing software, for example in your office or whatever, but you have a LUT that you've done in DaVinci that you like it a lot, it's as simple as that. Okay, it's as simple as that, is to do what we just done. So make sure that you here right click. When you right click and you go to generate LUT, is this 33 point cube, or depends on what they accept, or depends on where you wanna put it. Make sure this is compatible with this software that is not DaVinci. If you do like this and it's DaVinci, you know, for some reason sometimes maybe you wanna use one LUT and you're gonna work at another house or something, you know, you just gonna do this 33 point cube, generate this, and you're gonna be able to just work with this LUT. So it's as simple as that, really. And as we can see, we applied some of these that we just downloaded, and they already look pretty well.